Have you ever wondered how much time you spend scrolling, clicking, and swiping on your digital devices? It's a question that may seem trivial, but when you really stop to ponder, the answer might surprise or even alarm you. In our modern, fast-paced world, technology has become as ubiquitous as the air we breathe. Our day starts and ends with the glow of screens, be it our smartphones, laptops, or tablets. Now, don't get me wrong. Technology is a remarkable tool, propelling us forward, allowing us to connect and communicate in ways our ancestors could only dream about. Yet, like any tool, it's how we use it that truly matters. And for many of us, the line between use and overuse has become increasingly blurred. Consider this. It's not uncommon for people to spend hours each day on their digital devices. From the moment we wake to the moment we drift off to sleep, our screens are our constant companions. We check our emails while sipping our morning coffee, scroll through social media feeds during lunch breaks, and binge watch our favorite shows late into the night. But what are the consequences of this digital saturation? Well, they're more serious than you might think. Chronic exposure to screens can lead to digital addiction, a condition that's being recognized by health professionals worldwide. The symptoms? Stress, sleep problems, and social isolation, to name a few. We're living in a paradox, aren't we? In our quest to stay connected, we're becoming disconnected from the world around us, and perhaps even from ourselves. We're trading face-to-face conversations for texts, outdoor activities for virtual reality, and quiet introspection for endless notifications. This is the digital dilemma we face today. So how do you maintain balance in a world that's increasingly digital? The answer might be simpler than you think. Imagine a day without your phone, without any screens. That's what we call a digital detox. A digital detox, as the name suggests, is a detoxification from the digital world. It's a period of time when you voluntarily decide to step away from electronic devices like smartphones, laptops, tablets, and even televisions. The idea is not to abandon technology entirely, but to create a healthier balance between our digital and physical lives. Now, you might be wondering, why would anyone want to do that? In our modern world, we are constantly connected. We wake up to our smartphone alarms, check emails over breakfast, spend the day in front of a computer screen, and unwind in front of the television. While this constant connectivity has its perks, it can also lead to digital overload. You may feel stressed, distracted, or even isolated despite being constantly connected. That's where a digital detox comes in. The purpose of a digital detox is to create space for ourselves away from the digital world. It's about unplugging from the non-stop influx of information and alerts that keep us in a constant state of distraction. It's about creating a pause, a little breathing space, to let our minds rest and rejuvenate. During a digital detox, we allow ourselves to engage in the physical world more fully. We can spend time with loved ones without the constant interruption of notifications. We can immerse ourselves in a good book without the temptation to check our emails. We can take a walk without the need to snap a photo for social media. But remember, it's not about demonizing technology. Technology has its place and provides us with countless benefits. It's about recognizing when our relationship with technology becomes unhealthy and taking steps to rectify it. So what does a digital detox look like? It can be as simple as setting aside a few hours each day without technology, or as comprehensive as taking a week-long break. The choice is yours, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Think it sounds impossible? You might be surprised at the benefits. Picture yourself waking up and reaching for a book instead of your phone. How would that change your day? Our lives are often filled with the constant hum of digital devices, but what happens when we choose to tune out? Well, it's like taking a deep, rejuvenating breath of fresh air. The first benefit of a digital detox is a significant reduction in stress. Imagine a day without the constant pinging of notifications, without the urge to check emails or social media updates. Doesn't that sound serene? Over time, this reduction in digital noise can lead to lower stress levels, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. Next, let's talk about sleep. The blue light emitted by digital devices can interfere with our body's natural sleep cycle. By cutting down on screen time, especially before bed, we can improve the quality of our sleep. A good night's sleep can do wonders for our mood, energy levels, and overall health. Now, let's consider our relationships. In a digitally dominated world, it's easy to forget the value of face-to-face interactions. Disconnecting from our devices allows us to reconnect with the people around us. we can engage in meaningful conversations, share laughter, and create memories that no digital platform can replicate. I remember a time when I decided to unplug for a weekend. I was anxious at first, worried about missing out on important updates. But as the hours passed, I felt a sense of liberation. I read a novel, took a long walk in the park, and had a heart-to-heart conversation with a close friend. That weekend, I felt more present, more connected than I had in a long time. Of course, it's not all sunshine and roses. There are challenges to unplugging, like the fear of missing out or the discomfort of silence. But the rewards, from improved mental health to deeper human connections, are well worth the effort. The benefits of disconnecting can be profound, but it's not always easy to break free from digital distractions. Yet, with a bit of determination and a clear vision of a balanced lifestyle, we can carve out our own digital detox journey. Ready to give digital detox a try? There are strategies that can help you succeed. First and foremost, set clear boundaries. Decide when and where you'll use your digital devices. Maybe you'll choose to unplug during dinner, or perhaps you'll set aside a tech-free hour before bed to wind down. By setting these boundaries, you're making a conscious decision about when and how you use technology. Next, find alternative activities to fill the time you'd normally spend scrolling or gaming. This could be anything from reading a book to going for a walk or even learning a new hobby. The key here is to engage in activities that are fulfilling and enjoyable, so you won't miss your screen time. Another effective strategy is to engage in face-to-face socializing. In our digital age, it's easy to forget the value of in-person interactions. Socializing face-to-face helps build stronger relationships and can be much more satisfying than a quick text or a social media like. Remember, human connection is about quality, not quantity. If you're finding it hard to disconnect, consider using tools to help you. There are apps available that can limit your screen time, or even schedule periods of digital detox for you. This might sound ironic, using technology to escape technology, but if it helps you maintain a healthier relationship with your devices, then why not? Finally, don't be too hard on yourself. It's okay if you slip up or find it challenging. The goal of a digital detox isn't to completely cut out technology, but to create a healthier relationship with it. It's about being mindful of how much time you're spending online and making sure that it's not at the expense of your well-being. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating technology from your life, but rather about finding a healthy balance. Your mind and body will thank you.